Hi, I'm Annie Woods for Moms Every Day. I'm here with Libby Lovig from the Northern Nevada Dairymen. Thanks for being with us. So today we're talking about baby health, very topical for me. Now the first year, obviously we know that mom's breast milk is the best, but talk a little bit about mom's breast milk versus some formulas.
Well, just like you said, mom's milk is the quintessential nutrition for infant. It comes from mom, it's got all the immunities, it's got all the nutrition, it's all right there in a great package. But if you're transitioning from a breast milk to a formula, there are formulas out there that are great for kids, and they're usually milk-based. I think one of the things we need to make sure people know is to not use regular cow's milk in little infants under 1, because their system isn't adequately able to handle the protein and the solute load and the electrolytes that come from milk. So it needs to be a formula that's been formulated for infants.
Absolutely.
And then once they hit 1, then they can transition up to having milk, and it needs to be whole milk. Whole milk has the essential fatty acids and the nutrition and the calcium and the vitamin D that those little guys need. And the fatty acids is for brain development. So that's what they need, about 2 cups a day.
And then we can switch to a lower fat milk when?
About the time they hit 2 years old.
Okay.
And that's based on, where are they in their life? Are they little skinny minis? Are they little chunky monkeys? Or are they just right, And then if they're a little chubby, you can move them down to the 1% and 2%. And if they're fine or a little bit skinny, you can keep them on the whole milk. Okay.
Well, and the yogurt's great too. That's also something you can use for little babies when you're starting to teach them how to swallow and start eating solid foods.
Formulated again for babies, and you can start them about 6 months old, and you're absolutely right. You can start, they figure out how to swallow and move their lips, and it's great nutrition, has vitamin D and calcium in it. So
wonderful. So so for best breast milk for sure.
Absolutely.
Then if not the breast milk, then you can go to a formula that's meant for babies under 1. Then after 1 we go to whole milk, and then after 2 you can switch to a lower fat.
Absolutely, you got it.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. If you'd like to learn more about this topic, check out momseveryday.com. Thanks for watching.